Personal injury is indeed a specialty. It's a field that to do properly, you have to have experience. We have a vast well of experience to draw upon, both individually and collectively. I think between the attorneys at this firm, we've probably seen about every type of personal injury case that you can see come through here. We've handled cases across the country, and we strive to be the most prepared person in that courtroom. There's nothing that's going to catch us off guard. There's nothing that's going to intimidate us. We will match resource for resource against any opponent we have. We never let that hold us back. We are going to be ready for every situation and every curveball that may get thrown, and we're going to fight tooth and nail to make sure we get everything we can get for your case to make sure you're compensated properly.
In an injury case, two things are extremely important from the outset. The first thing is getting the appropriate medical treatment, taking care of the person. At the same time, it is equally important there be somebody involved on behalf of the injured person. And the reason why early involvement is important is because that's our chance to grab hold of the scene or grab hold of the product and get the information we need that will ultimately be evidence in the case. We're able to go to the scene, meet folks wherever they're receiving care if that's necessary, and learn all we need to learn to make sure we preserve that evidence at the outset. We have all the resources they're going to need. If a particular product needs to be stored, a vehicle needs to be inspected, we have those facilities to do that. We also have access to experts in every field of medicine that's necessary. We can give recommendations if they need it, so we make sure those folks are taken care of at the outset with both medical care, proper case investigation, and then the proper advice, what they need before we move forward with the case.
Our goal is to make it as easy as possible. If someone is contacting the firm, we are able to send them via text or email a link to our contract that they can sign right there on their phone. They don't have to skip work. They don't have to do any of that. Once we get that, if they need medical treatment, we can put them in touch with some places that can get them the medical treatment that they need. We then will have our office get the information on the case, send out what's called a letter of representation to the insurance company. At that point, we will get all of their records and bills together, send off what's called a settlement demand. We don't want them to worry about having to do anything other than just get better.